Hi guys, so I just want to go over this with you because we actually don't have time for class today because of the state test. So if you picked partner B, if you picked partner A, follow along anyway and just get the idea of what we're doing. So the first question you're solving was substitution because there's no graph paper for you. So we're going to circle what y equals, and they both say y equals. So when that happens, we set the two x parts equal to each other. So negative 2x minus 3 equals x plus 6. So now we solve. We add 2x to the other side. We cancel those out. We subtract 3. X plus 2x is 3x. Bring down the 6. So our next step now, we have to move the 6 and do the opposite. Okay, so these are going to equal negative 9 equals 3x. Divide by 3, x is going to equal negative 3. So now we have to take that answer and plug it back in to find another one. So if I use the top example, because I think it's easier, it says x plus 6. So negative 3 was my x. So plus 6 is going to give me 3. So when I go to my answer, I should have negative 3 and then 3. So your partner, whoever is doing question 1 on paper A, is going to have the same answer if they did it correctly. Okay, so I'm going to do a graphing question. All right, so the first one says 5x plus 5. So obviously I start at 5. And then my slope needs to be a fraction, so 5 over 1. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. I can also go down 5, left 1 if I want more points. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, left 1. Okay. And I'm going to do my best to draw a straight line. Okay. So now I'm going to do the other one in a different color. I begin at negative 4, and I go up 1 over 2. So up 1 over 2, or I can go down 1 over 2 and see that's where they cross. Okay, so when I zoom in to see what this answer is, they cross right here at negative 2 and negative 5. So I'm going to write negative 2 and negative 5. So your partner should also have the same answer. Now you're not doing this whole worksheet, you're only doing questions 1 through 4.